Some of life's most important conversations don't happen on a stage. They happen at the kitchen counter. It's where we bring the questions, the grief, the weariness, and the hope that we're still trying to hold on to. Maybe you spent so long caring for everyone else that you've forgotten what your own soul needs. If that's where you are welcome here. Each week, Laura Sharp-Waits, the baking pastor, invites you into honest conversations about faith, healing, loss, and discovering God's presence in ordinary moments. Because even after the hardest seasons, hope still has a seat at the counter. No pressure, no pretending, just a place to breathe, a place to belong, a place to remember you are not walking alone. Welcome to At the Counter with the Baking Pastor. Pull up a chair. The counter is open.